Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Show us the legislation. That's the call from Alison Peart, chairman of the Taxation Committee at the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Jamaica. She says the tax giveback by government cannot be determined until accountants are able to read the fine print. Ms. Peart was speaking at Tuesday's post-budget forum hosted by Victoria Mutual Building Society. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
Government announcing plans to cut taxes this year, but accountants are skeptical. Chairman of the Taxation Committee at the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Jamaica, Alison Peart, says there's usually a caveat.
One of the issues we have as tax people, we get these budget announcements, and when you see the law, I tell you a different story. We need to see the law to be perfectly crystal clear, because the devil is in the details.
She argued that the benefit of the tax giveback will be lost if the details of the law aren't fully understood.
If we don't get the process of our legislation and the ability to move the information between the mortgage company, the stamp duty, and the lawyers quickly, no matter how much you reduce the tax, you're still going to be stuck there for 6 or 7 months. So there's more work that needs to be done in this area to ensure that when you sign and you get your mortgage, you can move fast. Agreed?
At the same time, Ms. Peart is calling for a complete revision of Jamaica's taxes.
I would love to see the entire tax system reviewed. We have a habit of looking at pieces of it. I would love to see a comprehensive change. I would like to see more tax treaties, not for people to bring money in to take it out, but for us as Jamaicans to explore new territories. I would love for us to have treaties with other jurisdictions, with innovation, so that we can get our wonderful Jamaica with our wonderful minds moving things, exporting to get our economy going. And finally, we need to reduce the tax bureaucracy, whether it's our corporate law, whether it's our tax law, whether it's at customs. I know customs is going to be reforming, but nothing drives business underground, nothing frustrates you than when you're trying to do proper work, proper business, and you are bureaucratically hand-tied.
While opening the 2019-2020 budget debate in Parliament, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark announced that the government will forego $14 billion in taxes in the upcoming financial year. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
To currency trading now, the US dollar is selling for $124.98, the Canadian dollar $95.26, the pound closed at $163.36, while the euro is being sold for $143.32. And oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in May went up by 12 cents to settle at $59.98 a barrel. To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 151 points today, while the junior market index is up 17 points. Among the winners, medical disposables and supplies, Cygnus Credit Investments USD shares, stationery and office supplies, Fosterich and Jamaica Stock Exchange. On the losing side, Proven Investments, Everything Fresh, Pulse Investments, Stanley Motor and Mayberry Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.